Hello students, what is going on? मैं Abdullah Momin from KMES English Medium High School and Junior College, and this is lecture number 3 from the chapter Gravitation, class 11th Physics. So in this video, we are going to learn about the variation in acceleration due to gravity with altitude, depth, latitude and shape one by one. So first, we are going to see the variation in acceleration due to gravity due to altitude. Now what do you mean by altitude? Altitude is nothing but height. So consider a body of mass m. M is the mass of the body which is on the surface of earth. So when the body is on the surface of earth, and if the mass of earth is capital M, mass of the earth R is the radius of the earth, then from the formula of acceleration due to gravity, G can be written as Gm upon R square. This is your equation number 1. Now suppose we have taken a body at height h from the earth's surface. Now the body is situated at height h from the earth's surface. So the acceleration due to gravity can be written as gh, and it can be written as gm upon r plus h whole square. Now dividing equation 2 by 1. Dividing equation 2 by equation 1, we get, so GH is equal to GM upon R plus H whole square divided by G, which is equal to GM upon R square. So if you will cancel these two terms and this denominator of the denominator becomes numerator, so we will get GH upon G is equal to R square upon R plus H whole square. Or we can write from this equation GH is equal to G R square upon R plus H whole square. This equation shows that acceleration due to gravity goes on decreasing with increase in altitude of the body from the surface of the earth. So we can rewrite this equation as GH is equal to G R square upon R plus H whole square. This was our equation. So multiplying by R square and dividing by R square, we will get G R square divided by R square in bracket R square upon R square plus H upon R whole square. So we will get this equation as g r square upon r square 1 plus h by r whole square. So if this is the square term, when it goes to numerator, this r square and r square get cancelled. So we will write g is equal to g by 1 plus h upon r whole square, or g 1 plus h by r raised to minus 2. Now by expanding this equation by binomial expansion, expansion for a small height h, if h is very smaller than r, so h by r is very smaller than 1, and if the number is very smaller than 1, when you will square it, you will get gh is equal to g 1 minus 2h upon r. So this is the expression. This is the expression for g at height h. Now let's solve the example about this topic. The question is, at what distance above the surface of earth the acceleration due to gravity decreases by 10% of its value at the surface, and the radius of earth is given as 6400 kilometer. Now since at what height the acceleration will be decreases by 10%, that means 90% of g. So we can write gh is 90 upon 100 into g, and from this gh upon g is equal to 9 by 10, or we can write zero point 0.9. And we have one equation, gh upon g is equal to 1 minus 2h upon r. So from this equation number 1 and this equation number 2, we can write 0.9 is equal to 1 minus 2h upon r. Minus 2h upon r goes another side, plus zero point 0.9 goes. So we can write 2h upon r is equal to 1 minus 0.1. So 2h upon r is equal to 0.1. And the value of r is, so this is the equation which we are getting. So let me clear this. 2h upon r is 0.1. So 2h can be written as 0.1 into r. So 0.1 into 6400 kilometer. that will 640 kilometer. That is 2h. So h can be written as 640 by 2. That is 320 kilometer. So at height of 320 kilometer, the value of g becomes 10% of its value at Earth surface. So this is our answer. So thank you student, thank you very much. I hope you learned something interesting today. Now I will catch you next time.